After living in Suzhou for several years, I also like to watch Pingtan shows. This storytelling and ballad singing in the Suzhou Wudai treat to the ears. Suzhou is the birthplace and center of Wu culture and history. With the development of mobile network technologies, platforms for sharing short videos are rising quickly. In my free time, I can enjoy traditional Chinese culture around my house, and I've been curious about this form of music. It's the first time I saw a Pingtan show performed at home. Young people like working from home recently. The ancient canals have given birth to the culture of Suzhou, and the Fengqiao scenic area features intertwined rivers and many arched bridges. A boat ride here will let you embrace the picturesque scenery, the classical small bridges and flowing rivers, and also enjoy a Pingtan show. What a surprise! The performer today is the same actress I saw in an online video last week. I have found the performers also the vloggers. This is Liu Jiameng and his wife Gao Sijing. 10 years ago, 15-year-old Liu studied at Suzhou Pingtan School. In 2015, Liu and Gao began working in an art troupe. It's a hard job as they were always on the road.
我在曲艺团大概是待了4年，可能1年都要演出400多场。我们去了很多地方，住宿的地方 WiFi 都没有，甚至有的地方都是毛坯房，都是水泥地。你比如说你睡在床上啊，蟑螂就在你头顶爬来爬去。而且我们一个地方演出就是15天，所以说你必须要忍受15天这样的生活。
He was busy traveling all year round and sometimes could only return to Suzhou once every 6 months. Liu and Gao had little time to spend in their home after getting married. He wanted to go spend more time in Suzhou. Liu doesn't want to give up his Pingtan skills. On the contrary, he believes he can promote the art form since his grandfather and grandmother, who are also Pingtan performers, have high hopes for him. 2 years ago, the couple quit their jobs and left their old working environment.
来，你把上次我教你的讲调过门弹一下。
Before each performance, he would put on a traditional long gown and greet the audience in Suzhou dialect. Liu has hundreds of thousands of followers on several major video platforms in China. Every day, fans of Pingtan watch his videos and performances. The internet gives wings to traditional culture, allowing the valuable heritage to be embraced and appreciated from one small family to the big multicultural world. In Liu's home, a nice and cozy place, I see the culture of yesterday and its bright future too.